Good morning children. Welcome to our physics class. In today's class we will continue chapter 17 stars and solar system. Now we will discuss three topics in today's class. The calculation of light years, light minutes and constellations. So let us start. In the previous class, in online class, I told you what is a light year, right? The unit which is used to measure the distance between different planets is a light year. Light year is the distance covered by light in 1 year. And what is the speed of light? The speed of light, as you know, is 3 lakh kilometers per second. Okay? Now we have to calculate how many kilometers will be there in 1 year. Because light year is the distance covered by light in 1 year. So if we say that light covers 3 lakh kilometers in 1 second, how many kilometers will it cover in 1 year? For that we have to see how many seconds will be there in a year. Okay, and multiply it by this number. So number of kilometers multiplied by the number of days in a year. How many? They are 365. Now how many hours are there in one day? 24. How many minutes in an hour? It is 60. And how many seconds in 1 minute? Again 60. So for this, why we have multiplied all this? In order to calculate how many seconds are there in 1 year. Right? And this we will multiply by the number of kilometers. What will be the answer? Answer will be 946 into 10 raised to the power 14 kilometers. These many kilometers are present in a light year. 1 light year is equals to 946 into 10 raised to the power 14 kilometers. If we write in the standard form, it will be 946 into 10 raised to the power 12 kilometers. These many kilometers light will cover in 1 year. Why? Because it covered 3 lakh kilometers in 1 second. In 1 year it will cover these many kilometers. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now let us see how many kilometers will light cover in 1 minute. Okay. Now before this, if I give you a numerical, supposing Alpha Centauri is 4.3 light years away from the Earth. Calculate the distance in kilometers. Can you do it now? You simply have to multiply 4.3 by this number, because 1 light year has this many kilometers. 4.3 light years will be 4.3 multiplied by this number will give you the required number of kilometers present in 4.3 light years. Okay. Now we will see how many kilometers are present in a light minute. 1 light minute, how many seconds are there in a minute? How many seconds? 60. So if 300,000 kilometers is travelled by the light in 1 second, how many kilometers will be travelled in 1 minute? It is multiplied by 60. So 300,000 multiplied by 60 will give you the number of kilometers present in a light minute. That is 15 into 10 to the power 7 kilometers. These many kilometers are present in a light minute. So these two you have to remember. Light minute consists of 15 into 10 raised to the power 7 kilometers, whereas light year consists of 9.46 into 10 to the power 12 kilometers. I hope this calculation is clear to you. You can easily convert the number of kilometers present in light years using these two numbers. Right?
So what have we learned in today's class? How do we measure the distance between two or more celestial bodies, right? The distance between the Earth and the other stars. How can we measure it? By using a unit called light years, which is the distance travelled by light at a speed of 3 lakh kilometers per second in 1 year is called the light year. Okay? 1 light year has 9.46 into 10 to the power 12 kilometers. 1 light year is made up of these many kilometers. Now, if the question is that the nearest star after Sun from the Earth is Alpha Centauri, which is about 4.3 light years away, right? If Alpha Centauri is 4.3 light years away, how many kilometers is it far from the Earth? How can we convert? We will multiply 4.3 into 9.46 into 10 to the power 12 kilometers. If we multiply this, the product of these numbers will give us the number of kilometers, that is the distance between the Earth and the Alpha Centauri in kilometers. Okay, this is how we can convert the light years into kilometers by multiplying it by this number. This you have to remember. What is the number? 9.46 into 10 to the power 12 kilometers. These many kilometers are present in a light year. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. And the Sirius, the brightest star around us in our solar system is the Sirius. It is about 8.7 light years away. So now can you convert this into kilometers? Multiply 8.7 into again the same term, 9.46 into 10 to the power 12 kilometers, and we get the answer. The distance between the Sirius and the Earth. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. How can we calculate the distance? So now let us recap quickly what we have learned in today's class. Since measuring the distances between celestial bodies, we cannot use kilometers because the distance is very large. We use light years and light minutes. Light year is the distance travelled by light in 1 year, and light minute is the distance travelled by light in 1 minute at a speed of light. What is the speed of light? 3 lakh kilometers per second. Right? We use light year and not any other unit because light is the fastest thing that we know. It travels the fastest. The speed of light remains the same in vacuum, in solid, liquid, any medium for that matter. Okay.